Hi friends, horror makers with you. Attention! This video is for anyone over the age of 13. Well then, I'm starting. Urgent notice from the SCP community. Along with the last abnormal creature that was caught, a dangerous virus was brought into SCP storage. According to unverified data, several SCP objects have already been damaged. They have mutated. And one of them is the shy guy. The virus affected the shy genes and they mutated very quickly. Since this virus primarily affects the lungs, they mutated into appendages somewhat resembling octopus tentacles. When the shy begins to get nervous that he is being looked at, then the tentacles break out of his body and wrap his arms and legs in a way that increases his strength tenfold. Truly destructive. It's scary to think what he can do. But a surge of this power blocks the shy's sensitivity, and the radius of vision of the shy of people staring at him, or his image is sharply narrowing. In fact, it is limited to the storage perimeter. So far, they managed to restrain him by regular means. But what will happen if the mutation process is not yet finished? Friends, such an unusual situation has occurred. As you can see, the shy now looks like this under the influence of mutations. I was scared myself while I finished modeling the shy.
Subscribe not to miss anything.
And finally, I start to remind everyone that if you want no virus defeat you, wash your hands more often, strengthen your immune system, drive away all sorts of fears, and always be positive. Stay home. Stay home, friends. Well, of course, do not forget to like this video. I think I deserve it today. Thank you, friends, for likes and comments. See you soon. Horror Maker was with you. Bye bye.